New court battle over Kanu's prison transfer opens dangerous political rift. So guys, a storm is brewing over Nnamdi Kanu's detention in Sokoto prison, with a new court battle scheduled for December 8th. Kanu is requesting a transfer to a facility closer to Abuja to better exercise his appeal rights following his life imprisonment sentence. So this legal move has triggered a dangerous political rift, putting Southeast leaders, youth groups, and civil society against the federal government, while also attracting international scrutiny. Today we break down the legal, political, and social implications of this escalating crisis. So guys, Kano argues that remaining in Sokoto over 700 kilometers from Abuja restricts his ability to communicate with lawyers and file appeals, undermining his constitutional rights. The court has refused to allow Kano's brother to move the application, insisting on a licensed lawyer handling the motion. The December 8th hearing will be critical in determining whether Kanu can pursue his appeal effectively. Now, there is rising political tension in the Southeast. The Southeast governors and elders are openly warning Abuja of potential arrest if Kanu remains in Sokoto because of what they are saying, particularly in the Imo state. Youth groups are mobilizing and political leaders are coordinating strategies to pressure the federal government to, showing that this case is no longer just legal, it is deeply political now. Diaspora advocacy groups in the US, AVID, Ambassadors for Self-Determination and Rising Sun Foundation have highlighted procedural irregularities in Kanu's trial. The UK, the European Union, and US observers are reportedly monitoring the case closely, adding another layer of pressure on the Nigerian government. Now, talking about these legal irregularities and appeals, allegations include the use of previously dismissed charges in the judgment, the denial of the right to file final written addresses, questions about impartiality and procedural fairness. So these claims could form the base of an appeal or constitutional review, increasing the stakes of the December 8th hearing. Now, talking about the Sokoto detention and national security, security agencies are now on high alert, concerned about possible protests or arrests following the hearing. Intelligence reports suggest the federal government is weighing options from legal strategies to possible mediation to avoid escalation. Kanu supporters see Sokoto detention as punitive, adding fuel to political and regional tensions. So what to watch next? December 8, 2025, key hearing for Kanu's transfer motion. Then possible international intervention or diplomatic pressure depending on court decisions. The domestic response from Southeast leaders, youth groups, and civil society. Then potential escalation of political rift between the federal and regional authorities. So guys, this Sokoto storm is far from over. Kanu's prison transfer battle has now exposed a dangerous political rift, drawing attention from local leaders, international observers, and civil society. December 8th will be critical movement, depending not just Kanu's legal part, but also the stability of the political landscape in Nigeria. So guys, what's your take on this? Because this is really getting very interesting. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be once again, be in the courts if they allowed him. You understand? But he's supposed to meet Justice James Omotosho on the 8th of December because the Omoto show that sentenced him to life imprisonment denied his brother, that chance to do that on the 4th of December, claiming that the man is not a licensed lawyer, so he cannot stand for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You understand? So we are watching to see how things unfold on December 8th. So I'm dropping it there. Please drop your comment below the comment section. Share this video, make it go viral. Thank you, and bye for now.